Response intervention and special education are two different systems that help schools individualize their instruction to meet their students' needs. Response to intervention, or RTI, takes place in general education. That means all students participate in RTI. Now, RTI typically has different levels, so some students might just need what's called Tier 1 in RTI or whole class instruction. Some students, however, might need some more specialized instruction in Tier 2 or Tier 3, and that typically means they're pulled out from the classroom for specialized instruction, either in small groups or individually. Now, there are some connections between these two systems, RTI and special education. One common connection is that students who need regular intensive support through the RTI process might be referred for a special education evaluation. Whether students come to a special education evaluation through the RTI process or referred through some other method, it's important that the special education team does a comprehensive evaluation of that student's needs. The special education team can often include people like the school psychologist, social worker, speech pathologist, and other professionals in the school. If the student qualifies for special education after their evaluation, then they will receive what's called an Individualized Education Program, or IEP. That IEP will describe that student's needs so that they're getting tailored instructions which meet their needs.